Dialogue 2.
Hello, Ayub.
Hi.
Thank you for being here with me today. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. Hello everyone. Thank you for being here. My name is Ayub and I am 14 years old. I am a student and I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. I have got a hobby which is reading. And my favorite school subject is English. My father has got a red car and my brother has got a yellow bike. I have a dream and I am trying very hard to achieve it.
Thank you. You shall, inshallah, because you are a very hardworking student.
Thank you.
One more question, please.
Okay, go ahead.
Thanks. What is your advice to everyone who is hearing you now? I mean, concerning learning English.
Okay, to everyone who is hearing me now, I shall say you have got to have a dream, follow your dream and you will find it. Because we don't know where success is, but we have to keep searching for it. One day we will find it and we will achieve it.
Indeed, we have to. Thank you, Ayub, and I wish you all the best now and then.
No problem.